Our world is changing and so our way of living. By means of living, our communication is also important. We communicate 90% of our day-to-day life. Proper communication is an important aspect in order for us to live well. Through the use of multimedia and ICT, our communication is a lot easier, especially in the modern world. But first, let us define ICT and multimedia.
ICT, or Information Communication Technology, is a concept that involves around communication through digital media. It involves manipulation, retrieval, transmission, storing, and receiving information in a digital form, while the multimedia is the medium used to deliver and present data or information, such as books, television, radio, computer, or etc.
Both ICT and multimedia are important in today's world. They help people connect and make communication more effective. In the 21st century, they offer many benefits. Number 1, better connection. People can connect with others far away, breaking geographical barriers. Number 2, easy access to information. Information is easy to find, helping people learn and grow.
Number 3, creativity. They provide different way for people to express themselves and work together. Number 4, teamwork. Tools and apps make it easier for people to work together no matter where they are. ICT and multimedia enhance the way people live on acquiring information and promoting creativity. Learning the two and acknowledge its benefit can improve our understanding on using it with precaution, leading to a more healthy, engaging online communication.